Bakers with the dome lids. I mean, like, they're beautiful. They're like these gorgeous kind of oversized crocks. Bake bread in them. You know, do your clam bakes in here. You're getting 2 pieces, 2 sizes, and in fact, I'll give you your 2 sizes. You get a 1 quart and a 2.5 quart. They come with the lids with these gorgeous finials. Check those out. Right over here. Look at that finial. How pretty is that? And then on the inside, voila, gorgeous when you take your food out. Oh, even the handles, Tara.
Right, the twisted handles.
You
so
are
pretty.
so good.
Aw,
okay, now this aired this morning. 2,600 were ordered. And so some of these choices are very, very limited. And this has been sold out since December. Okay, so here it is for you in the floral lace in the blue. So don't wait on that because that's been going quickly today. Coming over here, I'll show you all the floral lace choices. Green, fewer than 200. Red, 300. Black, fewer than 300. There is your gray, 500. There is your taupe, about 400 to go around in the taupe. If you love the taupes and the grays, you might want to go for woodland. It's that faux bois look, that kind of wood look. 150 to go around in each. But we didn't have the samples of the exact ones on the set, but they'll look very similar to that, but in this silhouette. Coming over here, I've got Old World for you. That's your taupe, 300. Gray, 150. Black Old World, 100. Red Old World. Then we have green Old World. Then, 250 to go around there. Take a look at confetti. 350 to go around. And then there is your blue in Old World. 200 remaining. And I just want you to see, look at that. It's a little bit of a different twist in there. No pun intended on the handles, too. Actually, Tara knows. Pun completely intended.
Absolutely. You're so punny. You're so punny.
All right.
But all kidding aside, here's what we love. They're covered bakers. We don't do very many covered pieces in our line. So I love that this was a fave that we did many, many years ago. We recreated it, brought it back this past December, and updated it with everything that you've been collecting and loving. The twisted handles there that you see is taking the mac and cheese. The beautiful flower finial on the top of the lid. It's not just a plain Jane lid. It actually has sculptural detail as well. The rope handles, the beading that runs around the edges, and then that vibrant Old World, that vibrant floral lace, and brand new today, the woodland, which we know many of you have been absolutely loving. So what I love about a covered piece is that everything stays super moist. Everything stays, it's like you can brazen it if you want to. And the best part, especially now when we're gonna go out maybe to the deck, or we're gonna be eating outside on our patio, you can have that cover to keep all the little bugs out of all of your mayonnaise-based things you're going to be making.
Right. You're so right. Take a look at this. Oh, you got the clam
We did
baked.
a little paella.
Oh.
With little you love that?
I do love that.
Delicious.
And then you're
I'm
right.
putting on my gloves.
Uh-huh.
Putting on my gloves because I'm going to grab something while you show us what's in there.
Okay, so right in here, again, what's really lovely is that there's a lot of capacity in these, right? So look at how much rice you've got in here. I mean, like, what is this, like 5, 6 cups or more? There's so much rice. Easily.
Yeah, 2.5 is the large one. 1 quart, the small one. So whether you're making rice, even if it was instant rice, right? You can put that right in the microwave and cook the rice right inside there.
That's great.
I know I'm going to make your whole day because I did pulled pork, and I'm going to make pork sandwiches.
Oh, yeah. Yeah, you basically made my day. All I need is just some onions and pickles on my sandwich, please. Extra barbecue sauce.
Oh, I love that.
Oh, yeah. Ooh.
Okay.
What about this? A whole bread?
Right. Baking bread in our pieces. That's what I love also. So whether you're doing something like, you know, baked goods, or you're making a cake in here, or you're baking bread, or you have that beautiful self-basting pulled pork that we did in our 2.5 quart covered baker. And then you still have the 1 quart covered baker for what? Oh, you better believe it. Potato salad.
Oh.
Yes, please.
Oh, yeah.
More mayonnaise, the better. More mayonnaise, the better.
Wait, but where are you getting your potato salad from? Because that's mine.
I know.
That's my.
I know.
It's been a long day. I've had a very long day. You've had a long day. All right, wait. How
No,
many of
you've
these
had a
spoken for
very long
today?
day, my friend.
4,000 of these spoken for today. So obviously very popular. We just got these back in stock, and they've been sold out since December. So today is your day to get them at the sale price. You're looking at the floral lace in this beautiful blue. I have fewer than 500 remaining. Come on down over here. I'll show you floral lace in green. There is the red. Here's the black. If you want the black, 100 remaining. There is the gray, 150 remaining in that floral lace. In the taupe, floral lace, 300 to go around. We have woodland, just not the exact same, not the exact silhouette on the set, but we have 100 in each color now. Okay, so get those home if you want those. Here is the Old World in the taupe, 300. Old World in the gray, 150. Old World in the black, just a few dozen. Here is the red. Here's the green, 200. There is your confetti, 200 confetti. And then last but not least, Old World blue, 150 left. Okay, 5039.